Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Sam Kamara here getting another round. So we're gonna be serious with this thing. So yeah, this is the Kamara family. We just wanna take you around with whatever is happening right now. And apparently Aisha's hearing aid has not been working for quite some time right now, and she's not had it on. It's not really been easy, I'm not gonna lie. We called them so that they can send us different parts, and we're probably gonna be receiving one tomorrow. So it's just chilling here.
Hi. Hi guys, I'm chilling. I'm not sad, I'm just tired. My cochlear implant stopped working for the past. It's day 4 now. Kind of miserable. Well, not so bad actually. I've been reading my husband's lips. Funny thing is, 2 months ago I chopped my hair off. I chopped off all the relaxer. Because they say a woman that chops her hair is about to start a new life. Here it is. I don't know, it's not a very good start, is it? But it's not bad. We have Leanne here. Keeping me company.
Yeah. We're just here.
My mum took Talia for the weekend just to make things a bit easier for me. I tried changing a few pieces, but they don't on my implant, the device. It doesn't seem to work, so they said they're gonna send me another piece, and they're gonna send me the main piece to see if it's the processor that has a problem. So inshallah, once I get that, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully
it works.
Gonna be good. Fine.
I tried changing the magnet, the wire, the mic. It still doesn't work. So
Aisha, how does it feel?
so far I feel okay. I've been through it before. It's not the first time. When I was in Kenya, remember, I had to stay 2 weeks without my cochlear implant, and that's because I had to wait for the pieces to be sent through DHL. It only takes a day here. They're very quick. But obviously in the past few days, every piece they do send doesn't seem to work. So last resort.
We're receiving one tomorrow.
What?
We are receiving one tomorrow.
So I'm receiving the main part now. The only thing that needs checking is the processor. The main thing. I'll show you guys once I do receive it. So I'm gonna try that and see if it works, inshallah. Fingers crossed. But I'm okay. I'm watching movies with subtitles on.
Yeah.
And I actually enjoy it. I do it sometimes when I'm in bed and he's asleep and I can't sleep and I don't want to make any noise. I would take my implant off and I would watch a movie without it on and just read the subtitles, and it really helps to make me fall. It helps with making me fall asleep. Also, I know I might sound a bit different. Don't be alarmed. I tend to sound different without it on because I speak in a way so that I'm able to actually kind of feel myself speak, if that makes sense. I want to kind of hear myself and feel the vibration of my voice, so I tend to speak differently without my implant on. But like I said, wish me good luck for tomorrow, inshallah. And let me keep watching my movie.
Yeah. I'm here with this one. Quite a handful. Yeah guys, so stay tuned. We're gonna take you on this journey with us. Hello guys, so it's another day. Very stressful. Still got no hair.
I got a bit excited, so I opened it.
Yeah, she got her.
I tried it on, but it doesn't work. I wanted to show you guys exactly how it looks and what the problem is. So this is how a processor looks. the main thing, okay? It's the whole setup. Looks like that. So this was the last resort, the last thing that we had to change was this. Now my old one, as you can see, is right here and it's attached to every other part. It's attached
That's like the
to
magnet.
the whole piece.
That's
this
the magnet.
This is the magnet, okay? In here we have a magnet. These magnets get attached to my head. The magnets that are in my head. And then this is the wire. The middle
That's
part.
the processor.
That connects that to the processor.
Where they put the battery.
The processor, and here's the mic.
Where's the battery? Battery, where they put the battery. Here's the battery.
Here's an example of a battery. I tried all the different batteries. And they still wouldn't work.
It's crazy.
I even have a gold one. Still doesn't work. I charged them fully. This piece was also changed. I changed the magnet piece, the head piece. Still no luck. This is a new wire. Still no luck. I even changed the processor. Where's the head? The head. It's in my hand. I even changed. I tried this new one. It doesn't work. Mic's new as well. So I don't know what the problem is.
So we're gonna try call them.
We
We're gonna
need
try
to call the
them
doctors.
and make an appointment.
Yeah, because we did explain everything before, and they did say we're sending you another processor, but we will book an appointment with you to set that up and all that. But that's not working either, so we need to call them. We need that appointment ASAP because it's been 6 days now.
It's crazy.
No hearing.
Imagine 6 days without hearing anything. How would you guys feel?
Huh?
Telling them, imagine 6 days without hearing anything. How would they feel?
There?
6 days
6 days without
hearing anything.
hearing anything.
How would they feel?
Yeah, it's really frustrating now. I feel like I'm shutting down.
Okay, so guys, let's call this. Let's call them now, yeah?
I feel alone.
Okay. Let's call them. Let's call them.
We'll call them and inshallah it gets fixed because I'm tired. But alhamdulillah, at the end of the day, still alive.
Yeah.
You can see.
Hello, good afternoon.
I'm calling on behalf of my wife. Good afternoon. Oh, sorry. Good afternoon. I'm calling on behalf of my wife. We called in last week. We were supposed to get an appointment, but apparently no one contacted us.
What's your date of birth?
Oh, her date of birth
Yeah, what's her date of birth?
is 28th May 1993.
And what's her name?
It's Aisha Salam.
You said the 28th of May 1993.
Yeah.
Do you have an hospital number?
Hospital number? Nah,
Yes.
not really.
I don't have my hospital number.
I have no
I'd have to
hospital.
look in my file.
We called in last week.
I do understand. I need to pull up our records.
Okay.
So without the hospital number or the could you spell her first name?
Her first name Aisha, A-I-S-H-A.
And what's the last name?
Msalam, M.
Pardon me?
Msalam, M. S.
M
S.
M S.
A.
Yeah.
Double A. A-M.
And what's the problem she's having?
Basically, the hearing implant was not working, and they sent her different parts. They sent her almost everything was new, and it still doesn't work. So we called them, and then they said we need to call the hospital and make an appointment so that you guys can come and see her.
All right, just stay with me a minute, yeah? Hold on.
The processor they bang doesn't work.
Yeah, that's what I told you.
All right.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, what's the best number to reach you at?
This number
68.
What's it mean?
077.
Right.
Yeah, I'm the husband.
Okay, so we'll give you a call back, okay?
Okay.
Alright then, bye-bye.
Bye.
What's it mean?
You're gonna give me a call back. Yeah.
Thank you. Please. Una yo yani sumatrete. Ah, Africa wa Africa.
Yeah.
Today is day 8, 7, day 7 since now hearing, and I haven't been out all these days because I actually don't like going out in public if I can't hear. Kind of frustrating seeing people talk, communicate. Places like Stratford, all that, there's a lot of people that, you know, play the drums, music, perform. You don't get to be a part of that, but it's alright. I was forced to come out today by him, my husband. Anyways, so like I was saying, I was trying to make an appointment and I finally have one scheduled for Thursday. What's the date on Thursday? 3rd. The 3rd of November. And inshallah we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it's nothing big. But it's been so stressful, frustrating. But I always say alhamdulillah, man, I'm grateful. I'm strong. I come to Primark, shop a little bit. Find a few headbands because as you can see, yeah, since my big chop, I've been a bit, I don't know what to do to my hair, and I actually just like wearing hairbands when I'm indoors. I need to look a bit cute, so I thought hairbands will help me look a bit cute and find a few things for the kids. And I need to go shopping. That's why I came out. I mean, my man can't shop on his own. Can you?
Nah.
Can you show your face? So yeah, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated about my appointment and everything. And I will show you my hospital. Not exactly my hospital, but where I go for my appointment and everything. And just wish me luck. Okay, after the day, as you can see, I got this silk stuff on the head. Okay, this tail months ago. From Primark. This jacket. These thermal leggings I got from Primark. I've had these since I was pregnant. Okay. Kind of old now. Boots. It's super comfortable, super warm. So yeah, that's outfit of the day. And my favourite Aldo bag. I've had this for years. I've not done a lot of shopping lately because of responsibility. My kids come first, okay? Before I had all these kids and I had one child, like, whew, shopping daily. But now, you know, I've got 3 men, so calm down in the shopping.